Let's consider the following sentences. I like swimming. I love swimming. I hate swimming. I dislike swimming. I like to swim. I love to swim. I hate to swim. I dislike to swim. Are all these sentences grammatical? I'll tell you the answer after 5 seconds. You may pause the video if you need more time. Only the last sentence is grammatically incorrect. If you want to know more, please watch till the end of this video for the grammar tips. The first tip is that these verbs are stative. They describe a state that lasts for a while. We normally don't use continuous forms for these verbs. For example, we can say, I dislike dishonest people. He likes walking along the shore. A new shopping mall will open in our neighborhood this week and I think you'll like it. The second tip is that these verbs can take a noun or a gerund. A gerund is a noun form of a verb. Let's see the following examples. He liked talking to his neighbor when he was a child. My brother loves his parrots. Jerry hates people disturbing him when he is working. The third tip is that except for dislike, we can also use a to infinitive after them. A to infinitive is the base form of a verb immediately preceded by the word to. Let's see the following examples. My sister likes to hang out at the beach when it is sunny. My dog loves to eat meals cooked by me. He hates to interact with poor people. It is now considered ungrammatical to use an infinitive after dislike. Therefore, we cannot say, I dislike to see leaflets in my mailbox. We can say I dislike seeing leaflets in my mailbox or I don't like to see leaflets in my mailbox instead. Now, it's your turn to apply what we have gone through. Are these sentences grammatical? You will have 5 seconds for each sentence. My bird likes to see me. This sentence is grammatical. We can use an infinitive after like. Leona loves dancing in discos. This sentence is grammatical. We can use a gerund after love. My sister dislikes to sing in front of the class. This sentence is ungrammatical because we don't use an infinitive after dislike. It is correct to say my sister dislikes singing in front of the class, my sister doesn't like to sing in front of the class, or my sister doesn't like singing in front of the class. Well, that's it for today. See you next time. If you enjoy the video, please like my video and subscribe to my channel for more English grammar tips.